funny, it's always the same plane. I could swear I shot this one just before. They must have one model type. I'm making a hologram out of it 50 times over. There goes the wing bending up. As soon as I said that, it blurs me out. Yep. And that's no plane. Yeah, electromagnetic pulses coming off of it a lot. My whole body's shaking from it. Yeah, no normal planes do that, that's for sure. Too bad the building was there. They hate this camera, they can't turn it off. So far every plane has been a hologram. And this is the third or fourth one that's going to be a hologram too. This one's already emitting electromagnetic pulses. They can't. This is an army plane, and that's not a real one either. I see orbs all over it. It just started to glow and disappeared. Wow. Too bad. Same exact plane. Same exact plane. They must have one model and are using it over and over as a hologram model. And that's what they're projecting. It wouldn't be possible for all the planes to look the same, exactly the same. Look, there's no cockpit. Not even a cockpit. Okay. There's another one. Okay, this one's made in Quebec. Bombardier. The propellers aren't turning. And it's giving off electromagnetic pulses. I gotta zoom in on it better. Keep it steady. So that's a twin prop, and neither prop is turning. It's a triple prop Bombardier, and now it just emitted electromagnetic pulses, and it's probably going to disappear as it did. And I back off just to check the whole sky. Yeah, nowhere. Nowhere. Nope. None of the planes were real. It's about 10 now. Some I didn't even get. This one. Wow, it's the same exact plane. And those wings are not real. You can see that that's not a real wing. No cockpit. Should be able to clearly see the cockpit. Wow. That one vanished as well. I love the way they just vanish. Oh, okay. Here's the UFO. I hope I can get it. There's a whole bunch of them. Wow, they just vanished. Man. There's only one left. I can't. Oh, there's more now. There. Those are not birds. Those are not birds. Birds don't fly so high. That's like at 20,000 feet. Those are not birds. Even fighter jets don't fly that high. These are seagulls, supposedly, but they keep vanishing every time I get close. Yeah, just vanish. Just like that. Wow. Here's another one. I'm not gonna zoom in on it. I'm just gonna watch it vanish. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. As soon as I get close on one, they just disappear. Look, there's none in the sky anywhere. Nowhere. Now a seagull wouldn't be able to vanish from the entire sky that fast. No way. Look where their wings are in that one. They're practically at the tail. Keeps zapping me. And those CMPs. Wow, the whole thing changed. It's a different plane. And I gotta check if it looked like that before. It didn't look like that before. It's the same plane. Yep. They just vanished. Wow. I can't believe it. They don't even make a jet sound. Wow. It's over at the other side of the city. Wow, it went from east to south. And this is a different one. Same kind of jet, just different color. Wow, that one disappeared too. I was almost gonna say that was a real one, but it's gone right from the sky. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable.